Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Winter Forest. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for similar video. Technical question number 25. Reverse nodes in K group. Given a linked list, reverse the node of a linked list K at 2 times and return its modified list. K is positive integer in less than or equal to the length of the linked list. If the number of the nodes is not a multiple of K, then left out nodes in the end should remain as it is. So here is the example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If K is 2, then it's 2, 1, 4, 3, and leave the 5 as it is. If K is 3, so it will be 3, 2, 1, left the 4 and the 5 as it is. We use very easy understanding example to achieve this one. So I'm going to, for example, I have 1, pointer to 2, pointer to 3, and a pointer to 4, pointer to 5. For going use a stack, so use has a dummy node pointer to the head, and start the K from 1 plus next and the next until to the 3. So then you just reverse, and this is 3. So each time the stack is first in and first in, last out. So you put 1, 2, 3 out. Then you build this one. Then you build it. Then you pop out 3, pointer to 2, pointer to, once you pointer to 2, pointer to 1, but you know I haven't have this one. So you need to have a rows pointer this to the last. So then you keep a loop. If this one less than the K, then you just point to this one. Otherwise, you push into the stack, then you pop out. I think this is the easy way to understand it. So just let's write the code. So if the head is equal to null, we check some edge case. Then just return null. You don't need a loop. And otherwise we use a stack, and this stack you push in this list load, and then you have this stack equal to new stack list. I think it could just like this. Then I use a dummy node equal to new list load. Give a dummy node 0 or negative 1 is up to you. And then you dummy next. Will be equal to your head. And then you all use a current load. Have a current load. So your current load is the dummy, and then you start a loop. Or you remember every time you remember, also need to remember the next loads. So then we write a while loop. If next not equal to null, then you start push them into the stack. You push how many? Only push K loads each time. Then you stack dot, you push the next. And then you next move to next the next. So if you stack dot size not equal to k, so if you just left, then just return dummy dot next. Like you already know the fun, then the next. Yeah. Otherwise, you're going to just reverse them. Once this size not equal to 0, current to the next equal to stack pop current, then current equal to current next. Yeah, while loop finish, then current to the next equal to next. So once loop 1 finish one, then current equal to next. If you have another one, then you just reverse them. After you finish, just return dummy dot next. Yeah, it works. Thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, I found the internet, they have another smart way. So instead use memory. Here it is, the algorithm is faster, but it actually takes memory. I found the internet have one smart way. It just rather recursive. Just let's go through it. So this another way to do. Just see what is the speed. If I submit this code, yeah, it's more fast, and it also take a memory, but faster than my one, 2 milliseconds fast. So what this do, it also do exactly the same. Here did a very smart way. So you have a current head equal to the head. Then every time you have the count start with 0. Then he doesn't need a dummy node. You just keep moving the current node to current the next. So in this example, if 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, if k equal to 3, then this one will coming out finish, and the current node will be equal to the first loop will finish like a current count. The current will equal to 4, so the current is the next. And once you go inside, then this one going keep recursively and do it. And this to the reverse. This k is to the reverse, so current equal to current. In this one, it direct. If it's 3 direct finish, then the first, then do it actually reverse from here, from 1, 2, 3, and the current will change back to the head. It is 1, and then the tempo equal to head dot next. and then the head dot length equal to current lot equal to 4. And then you move one by one, then you start until then you change 2.1, 3.2, and 4.23. After this finish, the head equal to the current, and current it is 4. And then you go into here, you while loop, this in where? And this while loop, and then you find and you keep looping the next current, because the current is in here. You're going to see if this still can go recursive loop. So that is another way. The code non-readable like my previous one. And 2. For this situation, use stack. It is I believe this is easy to understand it. Yeah, it's up to you guys. It's 2 ways to achieve. Thank you for watching.